Hello my dear CBSE champs, hope you all are doing great and it's time for your results. Class 10 CBSE results may be out today by evening at any time. So to check out the results, you need to activate the account called as DigiLocker account activation. So the CBSE boards has released this particular DigiLocker account in its official website. Just go through it and open the Google and just type here CBSE DigiLocker account activation. You are going to get this particular official website. Just click on the website. Then to confirm the account activation, you need to follow these steps. First, enter the 6-digit access code provided by your school. Okay. So you are going to get the 6-digit access code from your school. So if you are not going to get that particular code, then please ask your respected principal ma'am of your school to get this particular 6-digit access code. So if you are not going to receive the 6-digit access code, so prefixly, okay, please prefix 0. So please add 0 and then next confirm the 6-digit access code provided by your school, and then next enter the mobile number, then you are going to get the OTP. So just type the correct OTP to confirm your account activation and then next click on the get started with the account activation. Then you are going to get all these columns, so you need to fill up this. So here you need to choose a class, either your 10th or 12th, and next please enter the school code and next you need to type the admit card number or your hall ticket roll number here, and next here you need to type the 6-digit access code provided by your school. Okay. So then later when you are going to click next, then you are going to get all your mark sheets and your memos which are provided in your account. You can store all these mark sheets and passing memos in your account permanently. So this DigiLocker account activation, by creating this DigiLocker account activation, it will eliminate your time to visit your school for your memos or else your mark sheets, etc. And through this DigiLocker account activation, you can share your verified documents and memos with other institutions for your college admissions. So please stay calm, be positive about your results, and please get started with this DigiLocker account activation. Please create this activation as soon as possible. So the results may be out today by any time by today evening. Yes. So please stay tuned with the NEET World for more updates. Thank you.